Hello, everyone. This is Colton Matthews here with Eide Bailly Technology Consulting. And today I'm going to give you an overview of our COVID-19 Essential Industries Employee Screening Tool for Salesforce. Even though we're in a very challenging time, some companies operate in businesses that require employees to be at work. The CDC has recommended a questionnaire that these companies can use to screen workers each day for possible indicators of having contracted the coronavirus. Here at Eide Bailly Technology Consulting, we've created a simple, unmanaged Salesforce package that you can download and install into your environment. The questionnaire is available in both English and Spanish and is accessed via your custom domain website. As you can see in my demonstration here, it's a very simple form that an employee can fill out before getting to the workplace or once they arrive. They can simply toggle it between English and Spanish languages. And once it's filled out, let's hurry and do that. And save it. Once it's filled out, we can actually access that record through Salesforce in the custom object. We can see that record and all of the proper answers to the screening form. This allows Salesforce administrators to set up automation and alerts based on the responses and the submissions of these forms. Being an unmanaged package also allows you to customize this or allows you to reach out to Eide Bailly and have us customize it for you. I appreciate you watching this brief overview of our new tool in Salesforce, which you can download with no charge. As always, if you have any questions, our team is here to help. Click the link below to get in touch, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more great videos. Have a wonderful day.